What's good, YouTube? It's Blue Waves, and I'm back with another video. Today I want to show y'all, everybody on iOS 15, how you can use portrait mode in your photos, not only for FaceTime, but you can use it for Instagram and Snapchat as well. Show y'all that I am on iOS 15, the latest. As you can see, iOS 15, it's Saturday, September 11th. Yeah, let's get right into it. So right now I'm gonna go right here. As you can see, it's my Snapchat. Just pull down the screen, really. Just turn on portrait mode effect. See it blurred out the background. So again, turn it off. I don't really want to show my location because I'm home. As you can see, it blurs out the background right here. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna keep it on. But I'm gonna go into Instagram and do the same thing. As you can see, it works on this too. Even if I was to take the picture, I should have did that. See, picture taken. Same thing, we're not gonna post this. Same thing for Snapchat. With it enabled to make videos. Enabled to make videos. You see a video, or just take a picture. Alright, so once again, I can make videos with portrait mode on. You see it got the black background blurred out. Make videos with portrait mode on. You see it got the black background blurred out. Make videos with portrait mode on. You see it got the black background. Alright, see, make another video. Make another video. Portrait mode, you see the difference? But yeah, it's a little quick thing that I wanted to show y'all. I'm gonna leave it on though, but if you would like to, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Instagram is BlueWaves89. I haven't posted anything since, no pictures, but I do post on my stories, as you can see. It's the same thing for Snapchat if you want to follow me on Snap. Fuck. Alright. BlueWaves718. You can follow me on Snap. It's my public Snap, by the way. I got 3 of them. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, BlueWaves89. Follow me on Twitter. I'm always on either one. I might not post much, but you always find me up there. Oh yeah, Clubhouse too. I do fuck with Clubhouse. Find me on Clubhouse at Blue Waves. And they got the links to both of my social medias that I just recently showed y'all, except for my Snapchat and my YouTube channel as well. Or you can just look me up on my YouTube channel as. Alright, that's enough for this video. I'm out. 1.